Ever found yourself staring at a sluggish MacBook Air, wondering if there's a way to make it feel brand new again? Or maybe you're selling your device and need to wipe all your personal data securely. How to factory reset your MacBook Air, a complete guide. Factory resetting your MacBook Air can solve many problems and is essential when selling or giving away your device. This complete guide will walk you through every step of the process to ensure you do it correctly and safely. Before resetting your MacBook Air, understand that this will erase all data on your computer. This makes it perfect for fixing persistent software issues, preparing your device for a new owner, or starting fresh with a clean system. The most important step before proceeding is backing up your data. Use Time Machine to create a complete backup on an external drive, or store important files in iCloud or another cloud storage service. Once your data is erased, there's no way to recover it without a backup. Next, sign out of all your accounts, starting with iCloud by going to System Preferences, clicking on Apple ID and selecting Sign Out. You'll also want to deauthorize your computer from iTunes if you're using an older macOS version. Go to the Account menu in iTunes and select Deauthorize this computer. Now you're ready to begin the reset process. First, restart your MacBook Air. As soon as the screen goes black, hold down Command and R keys simultaneously until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe. This boots your computer into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, you'll see the macOS Utilities window. Select Disk Utility and click Continue. In Disk Utility, select your startup disk, usually named Macintosh HD, from the sidebar. Click Erase at the top of the window. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm and name the disk. Keep the name as Macintosh HD, select APFS or macOS Extended as the format depending on your macOS version, and click Erase. If your disk is encrypted with FileVault, you might need to enter your recovery key. After the disk is erased, quit Disk Utility by going to the Disk Utility menu and selecting Quit. This will take you back to the macOS Utilities screen. Now select Reinstall macOS and click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall macOS. The installation might take some time, so make sure your MacBook is connected to power and has a stable internet connection. Your computer will restart several times during this process. When the installation completes, your MacBook Air will restart and display the Setup Assistant, just like when you first bought it. At this point, you can either set it up as new or restore from your backup if you're keeping the device. If you're selling or giving away your MacBook, simply shut it down at the setup screen. Remember that factory resetting your MacBook Air is irreversible, so always ensure you have proper backups before starting. With these steps, you can confidently reset your device, knowing you've done it correctly and securely. Let's recap the key steps to factory reset your MacBook Air. First, always back up your important data using Time Machine or cloud storage before proceeding. Next, sign out of all your accounts including iCloud and iTunes to protect your personal information. To start the reset process, restart your MacBook and hold Command+R to enter recovery mode. Then use Disk Utility to erase your drive. Finally, reinstall macOS from the recovery menu and either set up as new or restore from your backup depending on your needs. Thank you for watching our complete guide on factory resetting your MacBook Air. We hope you found these steps helpful and can now confidently reset your device when needed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.